What up? What's up? What's up, people? BK in the house. CT. What up? What up? Yo, Justin Church. Hey, Coach Trader, I'm new here to your channel. Can you explain the consistency rule on XFA? They're talking about adding one. Did they add one yet? I don't think they added one. They were talking about adding a 50% consistency rule, which means you could only pull out. So if your highest day is $1,000, you have to get to $2,000 to pull out. One day cannot be larger than 50% of your profits. Oh, dude. I knew you were going to show up. I knew you were going to show up. Oh. Never pull out. Oh, man. What up, Jay Styles? Flips in the house. Yo, Dell. People are here. Yeah. Yo, Church. Justin Church. Did you hear me? I just want to make sure you got the answer. Had to say that. Dude, Smokey, I've been doing this. I've been trading since you were sucking on your mama's tits, man. I'm old. You're like in your 20s. I'm probably, dude, I'm probably like 15 years older than you at least. I'm 42. And what are you? You said you're 26, 20, 26, 28? I'm old. Oh, I like to call it seasoned, not old. I'm seasoned. Dude, I'm just trying to stack in these freaking pro accounts. All right, I got to set all this stuff up. I'm not set up yet. That's why I'm like still messing around here. Boom. Yeah, man. Yo, I called it when I was on Top Step. We're probably going to sell off the rest of the day. You got to think, man, where all this stuff goes. So your first day is only, say, 500 profit. You can make 250 the next day. Yeah, Justin. But in Top Step, you need 5 days of $200 or more to take a payout. So you have to have 5 days of $200 or more. So if you make $500 in profit, you make 500, you make 1,000, and then you make 500. Not one of those days was bigger than half the money you made, so you're fine. You get what I'm saying? They usually give it like overnight. Push it fucking down. Yo, what up, Noel? I was going to take my fucking $50, not going to lie. $1,000 away from the buffer. Yo, 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 what up, man? What up, B? What up? Joyce, what's going on? George Bloom in the house. What's going on? Hey, Justin, you can ask a million questions, Justin. That's what this is about. Justin, the chat is for you to ask any questions that you have about anything. That's what this is about. Yo, take profit traders the best. Take profit traders literally the best in the game. Yeah, Walter. Daddy had to trade a little bit. Pro accounts. Yep. I even turned this around a little bit. Yo, premier. Yo, Justin, I appreciate the subscription. Yeah, yo, listen, hang out. Justin, you could ask a million questions in here. You could ask every little question you have, Justin, you could ask. So, XFAs are the funded account. So you get a combine, you pass the combine, and then you go to an XFA. The combines have a 50% consistency rule where you can only get up to $1,500 a day. I imagine you could only, yes, Luca, only trade. You could only trade Top Step accounts on Top Step TV. Yo, did you hear my Danny trades reference on there? Yo, did you get my Trump dance? I was doing the fucking Trump dance on there. Yeah, and it was awesome. I gotta fix this though. I was doing the Trump dance at one point. I had to keep it fucking fun, man. I think I had 4 out of 4 or 5 out of 5 trades. I had to go for the record. Yo, yeah, yo. I always hit the buttons, you know. Dude, Jay gets all crazy in the chat sometimes. Oh, but yeah, and I went 5 for 5 today. I think 4 for 4 or 5 for 5. It was good. Yo, what up, Code? The girthy sage strikes again. By the way, Sean, are you in here, Sean? If Sean's in here, I'm going to get with Sean. Yo, what's Thursday look like, man? You want to jump on Thursday? We could test it out tonight or something. You let me know. We'll test it out on my other thing and see, make sure everything works. What up, Robert? How do I like Ninja? So I have Ninja up right here. The cool thing about Ninja is there's a lot of different strategies and indicators you could do. So all these strategies will trade automatic for me. Automatic in, automatic out. And then there's a ton of indicators for NinjaTrader, like a ton. Oh, okay. NinjaTrader has NinjaTrader is like a lot of information on it. Yo. Well, All right, Sean, you let me know. Going forward, we could pretty much do it any day. So you let me know. But yeah, Robert, the copy trading on Ninja Trader is amazing. Yeah, I like it. I don't like it as my main one only because I always feel like there's a little bit of a lag, but I like it because it offers a lot of things. Oh, we dropping again? Yo, I'm waiting for Trump just to say fuck China. How much? Oh, you're talking about my personal account? So I actually trade that on here. I trade that on TradingView. I think I want to say it's only like $150 a micro, $200 a micro. I don't actually know. I threw in like $2,500 and I'm already up like $400 since Friday. And I don't trade it like exclusively. Like I'll jump in a trade, I'll jump out. Yo, John D. Yeah. Yeah, we have a good time, man. I was just on the phone with him after for like an hour. Like we hung up with Dare and we were talking on the phone and you know, oh, $50 for MES and MYM, 100 for MNQ. Yeah, I only use MNQ, so it was 100. I think I'm going back next week. Jay's not going to go on in the morning though because he sleeps. So it might just be me for like I might have to miss a morning stream here or stream after. I think they want me to do the opening day, whatever it's called. It's not power, it's fast markets, I think it's called. Oh, you know how the chat is, man. Chat's always like that. Some guy said I sound like Dana White. Do you guys hear that? Do I sound like Dana White on when I'm streaming here? Not that it's not a bad thing. I was just wondering. Yo. Some guy said Dana Green. I laughed. Some guy Ryan. If my voice was a little lower. Man, that rejection was looking juicy. Boom, 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 boom. By the way, I'm thinking about doing a poker tournament. Just let me just get a quick poll real quick. Let's just see what some of you guys' thoughts are. Just trying to see. Yo, methodical popping up. Normal spot, my brother. You know where. You know where. We'll pop up on that same software that we switched to, not in the Discord, but that other one. Yo, he got the free reset and blew it in 2 seconds. Yep. Shut the door. Thanks. Yo. He blew the reset in 2 seconds. I was like, bro, that was quick. That was super quick. But what people don't realize is that's how it is. Like he wants to pass it or not. Like I have the same thought process. Like I don't want to waste my time with evals. Like I'm at the point that I only want to trade funded accounts and I'm okay with a pass rate of like 35%. So if I could pass 35%, I'm okay with that and just move on to getting paid because I know that that's where the money's at for me. You know this, you gamble with him? I do all the time. I'm not getting top one futures. Let them be around for a little bit, John. Like, you know, let them pay some people. Let them pay some big payouts first. No need to rush into things. Let them hang out in the market, see if they start changing rules. Like there's too many good firms out there that I don't need to rush to somebody new. That's how I feel about that. I want to know when I buy something and I work and use my time, I'm getting paid. Yeah, no problem. I'm just giving you my thoughts. Like, let them be around for a couple months. Like, let them be around for 3 to 6 months. Let them pay some people out. Like, unless they hook me up, no one's hooked me up at all. I'm not getting hooked up by top one. I can tell you that right now. Now, if they would give us a bunch of free accounts for poker, I would give them out to you guys. We could do that if they wanted to like support and throw in like 3 to 5 accounts for the poker tournament. But will Trump speak soon? I think he spoke before. Financial Juice was talking about some of his stuff. Yeah, every night we do poker at night. If you guys ever want to hang out, there's a voice chat also. So if you ever wanted to jump on voice and shoot the shit with everybody, you can jump on if you want. And if you don't, you don't have to. I'm just looking for a scalp here. Give me a fucking push down. Nope. Oh, was I too tight there? Oh, I was too tight in that account. Fuck. Look at that. I was too tight in Take Profit Trader. 85 there. Ugh. There's liquor in the front and poker in the back. Be careful as the night gets wild. Never played poker. Suck at trading. Would suck even more at poker. John, it's free. We hang out. We shoot the shit. And you can learn playing for free. It's like a decompress and just talk about stuff. No, Flip. Never. Never, never. What's up, mama? What up? What up? Oh, I'll tell you what though. With all these guys, yo, did you see the Apex email now? The special pricing is $5 more for lifetime fee. I don't understand how that was special. It's special that I got to pay more now. I don't understand. Yo, what up, poker? Yeah, lots of green in the pro accounts. Lots of green in the pros. Yo, Kid Poker, you don't ever play at night with us. We play a lot of the nights over in Discord. Me, Sean, Dell, Methodical comes by every once in a while. Who else? A couple other stragglers come by. Oh, Code comes by. Kevin came by the other day. Yo, Apex's activation fee is now $130. So the deal is 80% off. It's 80% off, but the activation fee is $105. Yeah. Yeah, you should have gotten the email today. Is it fake money? What we do every night is fake money. We just kind of hang out, and then we're going to do a tournament next week that you can win some stuff. You can definitely win some stuff. When I was on the stream, I talked about this. Look, this is the 15-minute 3-bar reversal. I mean, you could have gotten this and banked, but I talked about that. That was cash money. That was cash money. But yeah, 105, baby. Yeah, so it's 80% off now, which is good. But then the activation fee went up $5. And 150s, 250s, and 300s are all the same price also. What time do we play poker? Whenever everybody's, I think usually like 8, they set it up at. That it's all in the Discord, Mama Tick. Feel free to go over, and that's the spot where we play. And then if the table gets filled up in Discord, we move it over to another site. It's all free. Well, wealth charts might be different, and that's also a few days ago. I'm just reading what the email says today. It might be different on wealth charts. Dude, it used to be 85 for a while. It was 85 for everything. And then they switched off 85. 85 lifetime was money. 80%, $85 lifetime was like a legit deal. Yo, I wish, Josh. Yo, it glitched like a couple nights ago last week. It glitched and it gave me nine winning hands in a row, no matter what. Like I had the worst cards I'd have like a 9-3 and I'd go all in and they would make me win. They would make me win constantly. It was freaking amazing. Just remember, 0 activation fee. 0. And no consistency rule. And you can get paid on day 1. All these other firms are just making take profit traders so much better. It really is. Every time one of these firms changes their rules, TPT plumbing issues. Yeah, I think they're going to fix it, though. I agree with you. It's not great. I kind of forget about it because I'll be honest with you, I've gotten my accounts quick. I've gotten all my accounts quick. I haven't had one issue with them. I passed 2 accounts on Thursday, 2 accounts Friday. I have all my accounts. Yeah, but at least, Caveman, at least you know if you're paying money, it's going to be a pro account. You know what I'm saying? Like, at least if you use the token and you got to pay, you got a funded account for $130, which is really good. Come on, push it right up. I was targeting like 66. What up, Lenny? Yo, C is generous. I haven't had an issue, so I can't say anything bad. I have not had an issue. As you can see, I have all my accounts became pro. I haven't had to actually reach out to them for anything, though. Hustling, I like it. What are you working and trading at the same time, Lenny? Kind of doing both. Wow, they're pushing this right back. Oh, dude, that's back in the orb. Are they going to push this all the way up to VWAP right now? Yo, what up, Garrett? May have to try it. Take part. Should never. Oh, baby. 155. Joe, I'll be honest with you. I was not feeling it earlier today, and now I'm fucking feeling it. Yo, what up, Taco Tuesday? Dude, look at that shit. This was awful. Now I'm feeling it. Feel the rhythm. Feel the ride. Let this adjust where my VWAP is. Where the VWAP. Look at that. Right off. Write it off. Hey, I was going to ask you, do you have your bracket trades automated? What do you mean by automated? Like when I press the button, a buy, I set it up like this. Take profit, stop loss, I save it, and then when I enter, you know, when I get filled now, it enters a sell and a stop loss. That's how it works. Yo, am I trading with Tradeify? I do trade with Tradeify. My code works at Tradeify too. I think it's like 40% off. Do I trade with Tradeify? Tradeify is my special account. We have a special account over at Tradeify. You can see this is a funded account. I'm at $53,400 in a funded account. I like to save Tradeify for, I'll just call it, later on in the day. That's my later on in the day move. If you know, you know. If you've hung out on the stream long enough.
Order rejected.
I don't even know why that's here. I didn't even trade that today. I have no idea what that is. Why don't I see if I can get a few Tradeify codes for myself? Seems like they give a lot of codes out to YouTube traders. I never asked. I could ask and see if I can get them. I'll give them to you guys. I'll give them to you guys, or I'll use them for the poker tournament. I don't know. I don't ask for much, man. I just kind of, I trade, I make money. I like hanging out with you guys. And if you want to support the stream, you use my coupon code. And that's usually where I stop at. And I try to do fun things for you guys, like poker tournaments, hanging out in the Discord, you know, setting up poker in there. Like, just, I try to make it as good as possible. And for you guys to learn, and so you could take payouts also. Yo, what do you call it? Sean posted the video of you winning. Yo, I would be all over them for that. We are back under the, we're back under. Come on. Free longs? Dude, where is my free long guy anyways? Did you email Brett, CT? I told you email Brett at Tradeify. That's who you want to email. I would send him the video and be like, bro, this is you telling me I won. And I never got the account. Come on, stay under the orb and drop it like it's hot. I've learned a lot with you, Cove, the way you approach the market. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, Oliver. The biggest thing is I want to see you guys take payouts. I like when you guys take payouts. That makes it the best to me, personally. I just got top ticked. I just got top ticked. How do I get in the poker tournament? We didn't start it yet. Okay, we got about. All right, so we're gonna have a decent showing then. Okay. You gave them a bad email by mistake? Oh, you're talking about CT? I don't know. I remember Paytac from Top Step saying shit about Apex and other firms because of consistency on streams last year. NetBaba, a lot of people say a lot of things and circumstances change. I imagine they're getting killed. I imagine they're getting killed by I can't believe I got top ticked. Come on, give me this 34 bounce right here. Come on. Bounce it. $90. Yeah, I mean, listen, they have to all present themselves. It's kind of like WWE. Everybody's got to be like, they're the best. They got to be loud about it, because they're all fighting for your attention. If you think about it, they're all fighting for you to use them. So they have to act like that and always say that they're the best and we push more traders live. And, but listen, at the end of the day, it doesn't give a shit, because at the end of the day, it's all about you making good trades. Because if you're not making good trades, it doesn't matter who you're using. You could be using, the crappiest of crap firms. If you're not making winning trades, it doesn't matter. You're not getting payouts. Nobody's improving traders. The firm that, at the end of the day, like, the firms, they make more money off you losing than winning. Come on. What do we got going on here? Take Profit Trader has had the same rules forever. You basically make $20,000, they force you to go live. The only rule that's changed since I've known them is they got rid of the daily loss limit, which is a positive for you. That's the one rule that's actually a positive for traders, is they got rid of the daily loss limit. Yo, Wellington Silva. How much, dude? When will the draws be held? Wellington Silver? I'm not exactly sure what you're asking. Well, thank you for subscribing. Yeah, I didn't know what that last word was, to be honest with you. Who's long? I'm not long now. Until someone like Kane or Jade Cat comes along and takes them or cleaners, then the rules change. Yeah, I mean, have you ever seen how so Kane only trades real money now. And I think the reason I don't know if you ever watched him trade, but the reason he trades real money is the drawdown would crush him on how he would have to get out of the initial drawdown of $5,000 or whatever the drawdown is to trade how he trades now, because he'll let the thing move around a lot. And yeah, so how they trade, I mean, I saw how the big thing is they have to get above the drawdown area. So like if he's trading a 150 account, like you have to get $10,000 out to then really let the trades move how they do it. Because they let it move around where like it can go against them and it's no big deal because, you know, that's how they trade. I'll be honest with you, it almost sometimes easier to trade real money than it's almost easier to trade real money than props because there's no drawdown on your real money. So like argument's sake, say you got in short here and you just held it and you didn't take profit and now we're back up and you're like, all right, I'm getting out break even. In your real money account, you're just even. In prop land, your drawdown is smoked because you were up a lot and now you're not up anymore. So there's a big difference how you got to trade if you're in the drawdown or not. So I got like a freaking headache. Trade one micro. Yeah. What's up, Laughter? Laughter. Yo, I'll be right back. I'm going to get water. I'm back. Oh, backsies. All right, let's. Yo, what up, Pascal? Pascal's in here. Kron, what up? Mara, yo, what up, Kitty? Who else is in here? Lord Nao's in here. Yo, I saw Nao on. I saw you on Top Step, Nao. What up, Tivo? Who else is on here? Waldo's here. Bonds. I can't trade bonds. Mrs. Goody's in here. What's up, Miss Goody? What's up? Design Knobs in here. I got a headache to say the size of a small country. Yo, how is H-Town? I'm not out east anymore. I'm back home. What up, Milton? Yeah, I'm back home now. There was no internet out there. So I'm back. What up, Ricardo? Dude, Mrs. Goody was probably one of the earlier subscribers. She's been around for ages. Ages and ages. What up, Double O? Double O's in here. Milton. Oh. One of the OGs. Yeah, probably one of the OGs. I mean, yeah. Oh, geez. What's going on, cats? Kyle's up in here. You guys are a bunch of savages. I haven't seen Marie. Marie hasn't been around today. I wonder how she's doing. Boom, boom. You're done with this market? It got really good for a little. It got really good from like right around here. We started moving around, but earlier today, I mean, this is brutal. At least now we're moving. Let's talk about it. What's up? Welcome to the stream. I don't even know what to call. I can't say let's talk about it every time. What up, Luca? Luca's in here. I was one of the first. Net Baba, you were one of the first people. I think you were the first person to win and take a payout with the account. That was like, man, that was ages and ages ago. The chop is real, people. I might take this Eve out of the downside.
Order filled.
I'm playing the rejection off of you got the 200, you got the bottom of the 15-minute orb, and if it busts through, I'm out. But that's what I'm playing the rejection on. Also, this candle is just 20 points. Maybe we come back down. Yo, what up, 205? What up, what up? The system is totally rigged. Dude, a lot has gone on, man. Somebody asked me the other day about something that happened like a week ago. I was like, dude, you know what a week feels like to me? In Streamlab time, a week is a long time. Very kinky rigging the system. Oh. Come on. Nope. Come all the way back down to the hourly. That would be the play. Nope. No trading Friday? Yeah. I didn't know that. I didn't know that Friday was completely off. Yeah, it's completely closed on Friday. Yeah. So basically Thursday, that's it. Probably, Robert. Yeah, that's crazy. No trading Friday. Yeah.
Order filled.
No, I just got stopped. Good Friday on Good Friday. I just got stopped out at the freaking top. I got stopped and it just dropped 20 points. I'm trying not to, CT. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best, but I'm getting chopped. All right, we're going to zoom out to, we're right under the pivot point. See, 76 is the pivot point. A rejection would look awesome. A rejection would look great. Yeah, I mean, it definitely doesn't look great on the higher time. I already chopped up this account. I think we break even to bust 3 times and now. Yeah, it happens. What up, John? Yo, Keith S is in the house. Yo, is Dell in this room? Yo, Sean, did you read that in the Discord? By any chance? Dell goes, I blew my apex in one shot, blew my blue sky. That's all I had. And so Mita writes, you took the wrong trade. Yo, she's just, you took the wrong trade. It's like, thank you. Thank you for telling me. What up, Marco? Yeah. Yo, I'm only saved if this drops now. I think you're looking not terrible. You're getting lower high. Look, high, lower, lower. Oh, geez, Stone. Straight savage move. It's me, Mario. Woohoo! Yo, Turtle Sniper's up in here. Yo, Messy Life. Messy Life's over here too. Whoa, Nathan. I mean, listen, this could most definitely be a bull flag. Like, I'll just. You kind of got equal, you kind of got equal lows right here, and you're kind of flagging. I mean, so I think it's going to go down. I truly do believe it's going to go down because I think people are worried about what's going to happen after the markets with Trump and all that stuff. I think a lot of people are worried. I would be worried. Yo, it's Keith. I have one.
Order filled.
I just got a bad fucking entry is my problem. I got a bad entry here. Fuck, man. No, I'm gonna get fucking stopped. Oh, I'm so annoyed at that.
Order filled.
I'm so annoyed at that. I really thought we would flush. We just got under the 9, under all the moving averages, and it looked fucking dumpy. I don't know why. I don't love it to the upside. I'm not loving it to the upside. What up, Amir? Piano traders up in here. Dude, that thing looked like it was going to dump. Damn, look at that shit. Went right into this fair value gap and bounced. Fucking crazy. Yo, Cove, ever play music in the background? When I'm not on the stream, I do. But when I'm on the stream, you get pinged for copyright infringement. I do see you. I see you, Trading Star. All I know is Daddy's ready for 350. 350. 350 crew. Assemble. Haven't been on the charts much this week. Hopefully things look better next week. Yeah, I mean, if you're not feeling it, don't trade it. It's the new 420, baby. We light it up. Yo, I'm so annoyed that I wasn't home yesterday because yesterday hit and I would have got $400 in so many accounts and I didn't. I was kind of annoyed. $350 support crew. Too new to know what that is, but supporting you into the green. There's going to be a new crew also. It's the 6 p.m. crew. Just saying. There's a new one also. The 6 p.m. crew. I'm only showing 8 in the like hand. Is that right? I am not 100% sure what you're talking about. Don't. Yo, Wharton Thorne. After hour hits. Always. Hits all the time. Yo, are they going to dump this thing? You only show 8 likes. If you refresh the screen, it probably shows more. There is 51 people have liked it. 51. Yo, you got a 3-bar on the you got a have you back tested it, CT, on the 3? I'm just curious. Like, I've never back tested it on the 3. That's why I ask. Yo, gotta smash the like button for the duck race. Yo, just looking for a reason to make a trade. I would definitely split test it on other time frames. It definitely works on the 5 and 15. I might get out of this fucking trade though. Yeah, I fucking knew it. I literally said it and it just popped. I don't know if I would go long up here. I mean, to me, we're right under 19,000. If anything, I would want to see a massive candle down. Just push it down to like 75. Come on, baby. Oh, I was just up fucking $100 and something too. I just saw it. So stupid. I was up 100 and something. What's up, Messi? Why the red droopy eyes? I got to turn this account around today. Nah, CT, I'm home. I'm home the rest of the week. Yo. Wharton Thorn Cough Shaken? I most definitely did not say that right. Just tell me I didn't say it right. I'm well aware I didn't say it right. It's just like a game that you can risk points from the chat. It's to keep you from doing stupid trades and have a little fun. How do you say it though? Is Wharton Thorn Warren Thorn is probably correct. Now, Kawip fan shaken is probably incorrect. It's a bitch to spell on Scantrons. Bro. Put an accent on it? I'm guessing he's from the UK, right? Wharton Thorn sounds very British. The fuss sounds like a P. Kaweep. Kaweepin shaken? Kaweepin shaken? Oh, it's Thai? Is it Kaweepin shaken? Yo, I'm just going to go, instead of Kaweepin shaken, we're just going to go with keep it shaken. Keep it shaken is just easy. Cole, where are you from in the United States? No, I'm in New York. Kawi pan shaken. Keep it shaking, baby. My bad. We keep it shaking in this room. Yeah. I like it. Dude, I'm so bad with names, man. I'm so bad. I'm bad with names. Some are girls I say bro to, and I don't even know they're girls. I like it. Well, I like it a lot. That's pretty cool, man. I would tell everybody it's my last name. I would literally tell everybody, be like, yo, keep it smashing. Oh, dude, never know nowadays, man. It's crazy. Is this going to finally be the break? What up, Fred? What up? What up? We came back. We just tested this in balance, and I'm wondering if they pop it for at least a little bit of a gain. It's get hit with it's ma'am. Jeez. Come on. I can't believe I got stopped at the top here. I got fucking top ticked right here. Look at that shit. I've gotten top ticked a lot today. I've gotten top ticked a lot. Come on. Give a bounce. A bounce and then down. I still can't believe I got top ticked. That was the worst. Oh, man. One of those days. One of those freaking days, guys. Yo, a bounce back up and then down would be the best. Market is chopping people up. It is definitely choppy. You got to think we've held this area 1, 2, 3 other times. So you'd assume we're going to hold probably somewhere around here. I mean, if it pushes down, I'll cancel my order. But we've held this area quite a bit that you would think that you'd get funny. If I would have shorted this thing would have went up. Come on. Come on. Push it back. Push it. We're starting to curl up. Come on. Come on, baby. You can do it. Just give me that one big candle. I want that one big candle to the upside, not down, up. We want to go up, up. Come on. Come on. You want to go up. Come on. Got to blow on that candle. Just give a fucking pop, man. I'm not saying we have to go to the moon. Just pop it. Get through that imbalance. Oh, $165. Wow. That was dangerous fucking hold. A dangerous hold. Super dangerous. That's all I wanted. Every single time we come back up in this area, it fails. Ooh, we have a 15-minute. Look at that shit. Look at that. We have a 15-minute 3-bar reversal. You would stop out at 9. You'd stop out at 1901. Wow, that's a pretty big stop. I'm going to take that. I'm going to take it on this pop. Thanks. Thank you. On this pop, I'm taking it with 5 micros, and I'm going to hold. I'm going to take it right here. Where did I just see it? Where's the 15-minute? Oh, here we go. Under 48, it confirms under 48. Under 48, we confirm. So if we go under 48, I'll add 3 more. Yeah, time for entertainment. I just gave away this awesome trade to everybody. You holding? Yo, BK, I'm in it. I'm in it to hold. Oh my God, I want to hit the sell button right now. I want to hit the sell button so bad. You have no idea, BK. I want to hit it. Come on. I should have sold it. You guys making me hold this stuff. You peer pressured me into holding this. I was up $100. You guys making fun of me to hold to sell. I could have re-entered. I could have sold and re-entered. Itchy fingers. Sticky fingers. Oh, I should have sold. If we get up higher, I'm going to take it in this account. I know, caveman. It was pure pressure.
Order filled. Order filled.
Uh-oh, I'm going to run out of drawdown. Here, I'll scalp it in this account. I'll scalp it in this account. I don't know if it's, I don't know about free shorts. It needs to close under 50. It needs to close under 49 to confirm, just so everybody realizes it. It's not really on unless it closes under 48. You need a under 48 close. That's where the magic happens. I wanted to take $100. I got fucking 20. Give me 100, man. That was 140.
Order filled.
I took this off because I didn't have enough drawdown to. If it went up here, I would have got stopped early. So the play really didn't make sense. Got a lobster roll on that one. Couple lobster rolls. Yo, what up, Pete? Up or down? I am short. I was short a lot more, but I'm not as short. I need to set my stuff up right now is what I need to do. I'm setting it up. I am setting this biatch up. Bro, I just gave away a trade that would have made you $140. I'm giving away knowledge. It keeps the people going. See, this, though, we have a volume imbalance. I'm kind of worried about it, but. Dude, I'm taking that. That's $173 in a pro account. I'm fucking out. I'm out. Future scalping queen. Do you copy trade? I do sometimes. Sometimes yes. Sometimes no. But yes, I'm about to copy trade in a few minutes. I am definitely about to copy trade in a few minutes. Oh, I'm setting up. I'm setting it up, boys. Oh, what's going? How I use Replicanto, scalping queen. I use Replicanto on Ninja Trader. I have accounts with Apex and State Power Trader and TraderFly and trade them individually. Yeah, I do too. Or you can trade them all at the same time with Replicanto. That's what this does. It's whatever floats your boat. You know, I'm just thinking, can you log into multiple prop firms on Ninja Trader at the same time? Yeah, BK. That's what I do every day. Yeah, that's what I'm doing right as we speak. Yep. I'm just setting up I'm setting up my system. What up, George? Victor's in the house. That game changer because it's it's awesome here. Yo, he retired himself? Yes, I still trade off Tradeovate. You are correct. I just set up the copy trader over here. Yep. There you go, Kaba. That's sweet. Okay, I am fully set up right now. I am just setting it up on here. I'm locked and loaded, boys. Yo, it's freak off last night. What up, Larry? What up? What up? Yo, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna refill. Be right back. I gotta get ready for I gotta be ready for it. All right, I'm back. I got it. I'm back. What up, Dan? Come on. Push it. May short be with you. 350 always, Dan. It's a market on close. Yo, what up, Joshua? What up? What up? I might close this. Rip and dip trading. What's going on, man? Scalper's Paradise. Yeah, I'm out of this. It's taking too long for us to go anywhere. Wait, Marie's in here? Marie, what up? Chad's been waiting for you all day. What's going on? Kakeo, welcome back. Oh, did you trade today? Maria, you up? Are you up, and how much are you up? This looks like it's going to definitely roll over, by the way. Fuck it. Fuck it. I'm just going to stay in until the very last fucking minute. Yo, you want her to join with you savages on there? Damn, Marie, 10 minutes made $200. Yo, Ray, I'm going to go buy that sake stuff this weekend. I'm going to go get that sake stuff you were drinking the other night. We are all well-mannered guys playing poker. Yes. I'm waiting for this big-ass fucking candle that's going to just dump this thing. That's what I was waiting for, a nice candle. Cold, never hot. I just got out, honestly, because if it goes back up, I'm running out of time. I am running out of time because once that candle comes, you don't know what the hell is going on. Yeah, soju. Yeah. Yo, I'm gonna put it in some other stuff and see what happens. I might put some gummies in it and let it sit overnight and then have it. No, I'm definitely not doing that. Definitely not doing that. Dude, this is the move, though. What up, Josh? All right. It's about go time, boys. Dude, that was it. That was the move. Look, you could see. That's the move. Let's see if we get a bounce right here. This is the orb bottom and an imbalance. Let's see if they bounce it. I can't believe I didn't fucking hold that too. There we go. $100 bucks. That was the move, boys. That was fucking gimme. I can't believe I got stopped out and then I fucking made that. What up, Ian? Oh, you know what that means. What's going on? Welcome to the stream, brother. I feel stupid. Why? Dude, I feel stupid. I sat in that trade for how long? Oh, what up, David? All right. Time to go to work. Yo, you're still short, Fred? I mean, I like it, but I don't know what the fuck's going to happen over the next 2 minutes. I thought that was an awesome setup. Oh, I've been there, Brian. It happens. Yo, Chad. Are we long? I don't know what I'm doing. Whatever way it takes me, it takes me.
Order rejected.
Yo. Come on. Come on. Who got that? Yo, funded account up 417 in the old funded. Yo, I got it in this account. I got it in this account. Dude, what other accounts did I get that in, anyways? I got 160 in a Top Step account. Yeah. Okay. 2 Take Profit Pro accounts, which are these two. I got it in. And then I got it in a Top Step eval, a Tradeify eval, and a Tradeify funded account. Holla at your boy. Oh, man. No, that's market on close. It's market on close orders, David. Oh, yeah. That was your 350 rocket candle joke? Wow. I'm trying to think how many more days in Tradeify I need. I'm going to my dashboard because I'll be honest with you, I'm over the payout threshold, but I think you need to trade 10 days in Tradeify, right? Right? You got to trade 10 days in Tradeify, and the consistency rule, I think, is 35%. Yeah, 10 days. 5 of them have to be profit of 150. I'm past the 150. I'm at 3 days, but I'm not at 10 days though. But I already have 3 days of over. 3 days of over. Dude, I might be. Oh, the consistency is 35%. Oh, you got your first payout by them? No, not 20. Yo, Rochambeau. Well, first of all, Rochambeau, welcome to the stream, brother. But it's 30. The straight to funded is 20%. If you pass an eval, it's 35%. Yo, what up, Tink? How many points do you go for? 5 points, 3 contracts. Yeah, I'm going to basically I have to trade after today is done. I'm going to have to trade 5 more days and I'm going to need 1 more day of $150, but it doesn't matter because my consistency, I have to be under 35 and I'm at 53, but yet today I added another $400, so it should lower that, but I'm going to need like 3 more days of hitting and then we're good. Yeah. Yeah, Rochambeau, they give you the 35% if you do the evals. They kind of like bonus you for going the eval route instead of just buying straight to funded. I had a call that I've been waiting on come in at 48. Oh, you're too busy looking at the you too busy? I feel you. Yeah, I caught it in these 2 accounts. And then I caught it in my Tradeify funded one that's over for a payout already. But I need more trading days. I need to make, I'll tell you how much more money I need to make. What are 18 1,822 divided by 0.35. Is that fucking right? Dude, I need to bring this account to 5,500 and $200, $200. $55,200 is what I need to bring this account to. How much more money do I need in this thing? I will say once I get there, I'll have quite a bit of a buffer. Oh, I need about another $1,400 in my account. I got to do 5 more trading days anyway, so it is what it is. I'll just keep doing the same thing because I got to trade 5 more days, and if I keep getting 400, I'll be over it anyways. Although if I get over that buffer, I'll go down from 3 contracts to only 1. Yo, CT, I'm doing it, dude. I'm definitely doing it. I'm 1,000% doing it at yeah. I'm going for 5. 5 points. 5 points. That's all I'm going for is 5 points. I'm in the Profit P. I'm in the Discord like all the time. Now that a lot of people hang out in the Discord now. We hang out pretty much like yeah, probably 3 cons. I'm gonna do it in an eval, CT. I'm gonna do it. Maybe because I'm doing less lots. I was getting slipped for a couple days. That's how I made $1,800, Garen. I made $1,800 because I got slipped. Oh, I didn't realize the market's done right now. Okay, that was a bonus. The market's done. I didn't. I grabbed extra $60. I'm not holding that, so whatever. That was nice though. Yeah, when you start doing like 10 cons, man, like you're asking to be slipped. I'm doing 3. Yeah. What up, Emil? A cash in the house. Yo, I mean, I'll be honest with you. Today was just super choppy. All day was super choppy, and then it finally started moving around. Wow, dude, today was an awesome day. Today was a pretty good day. I definitely got chopped up. I definitely made some money. What up, Jesse? I definitely got chopped up. Definitely made some money. A lot of streaming today. A lot of things today. Today was one of those days. A lot of today. Oh, I probably well, now's the time to ask questions, guys. If you guys have questions about indicators, prop firms, trading, anything, now's the time to ask. Now's the time to ask because it's easy. I can just show my screen and whatever, if you got copy trading questions, that thing I just posted should answer some prop firm questions. I don't know. Whatever you guys got questions on, now's a great time because there's no trading is at a minimal. Yo, is 50 for an eighth too much or is it fair? Yo, what'd you say, Flip? Flip, what'd you say? You like the hat, Flip? Is that a Top Step hat? It is not a Top Step hat. I can tell you that. My boy has a golf hat company, and it's eighth, obviously, for that reason. But and then he's got a hole on the side if you want to hold like a joint in there, or a tee if you want to put a tee in there, and you golf. Spliff trader. Yeah. Nah, but I got like I got my lucky one. This is my lucky trading. If I go on a bad run, I'll switch hats. Once I go on a bad run, I switch. I got a couple of them, but we've been getting payouts, so I ain't changing shit. Yo, Chad. Yo, I think everybody after the market does. I think everybody in the after the market freaking chills out. That's the baseball player in you right there. Dude, everybody on the baseball team. Everybody. Your code isn't working for the raffle. Oh, whoa, yeah. That's probably not going to get you in. Definitely not. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah, without a doubt. Dude, I don't change shit, Sean. I'll just keep. You have no idea. Well, I mean, you know. I'll wear some dirty ass shit if I just threw amazing, or I went 5 for 5 or something. We ain't changing anything, man. Vivek. Yes, it is closed. Welcome to the stream, man. Welcome. Good to see you over here. Oh, I'm so happy I hit these pro accounts for some money today, though. Yo, not for nothing. Like the 150s, dude, you got to get $4,500. Like that's a lot of freaking money that I got to get to. Oh, Dell. You might be able to get a free one right now, Dell. You might be able to win one. You can win one in 14 minutes. Oh, Sean, you posted the video of Marshawn Lynch. Dude, that was the craziest run ever. The Marshawn run. And then they don't hand it to him on the goal line in the Super Bowl. That's the craziest thing ever. How do you not hand it to him? I was watching that game and I was like, listen, if they hand it to Marshawn Lynch and he gets stopped multiple times at the one, I can walk away from that game and say, hey, that was our best guy. I'll watch it as soon as the stream's done. I can walk away and say that's our best guy. They stopped him. But you can't say, I can't be okay with Russell Wilson passing and throwing an interception. Not at all. I'm like a Rubik's Cube. The more you play with me, oh, jeez, Chad. Marie left already. That was the dumbest call ever. Like, and even the players said the same thing. Like, just hand the ball to Marshawn. If we lose because of that, we can all live with it because he was literally the best running back. At that given time, he was the best. You can live with it. But I can't live with Russell Wilson passing the ball. Like, that was stupid. I love reading the things out loud. You got to read it out loud. That's what makes it better. That's what keeps the people going. Dude, the MOC imbalance is pretty big. It's 2 billion for the S&P, a billion for the Nasdaq, 700 million for the Dow. Mag 7 is 514 million. Oh, you got 11 minutes for the Ducks. 11 minutes for the Ducks. Oh, man, I am just...
The market is closed.
The market is closed. The market is totally rigged. Quack, quack, baby oil time. I meant baby time. My bad. Nice work, dude. Fred, I mean, that's awesome because I get halfway there. I'm halfway, and this is... I got to make a lot more money in this one. A lot more. Chill, Diddy. Yo, that Diddy trial's coming up soon. It's coming up next month. There's going to be some sound bites out of that thing that we're going to be talking about forever. It's going to be like the Johnny Depp one, but on crack. The Johnny Depp one was wild. Let me sheet him titties. NBA is getting crazy from today. Who likes that? Why? What's the NBA doing? What's the NBA doing though? Yo, my daily loss limit is removed on Tradeify. My daily loss limit's removed, by the way. Somebody said you have the daily loss limit the whole time. My daily loss limit went away. Just throwing it out there. I'm logging in right now to see even what my drawdown is. Yo, my drawdown is 3,700. Yo, this is basically a static account at this point. I'll show you. This is a static account at this point. This is a funded account. There's no daily. The daily loss is removed. Oh, I didn't know that, Sean. Somebody said it always stays with you no matter what. But my daily loss is, I'm at 3720 now in the daily loss area also. That's solid. 3,700 bucks. I need to get to 55,200. So another 1,400 bucks. And I'm over the consistency rule. So basically just call it 1,500 bucks. 55,300 and I could take a payout. But either way, I have to trade 5 more days. So either way, I have to keep, I got to stay on brand for 5 more days. What happened was I got that slippage on 2 days. Yo, what's weird is it's saying the last time it updated was Friday. But I don't think I even traded this account yesterday. That's probably why. Keeps the people going. Oh. Yo, it's playoff time in the NBA. I don't even follow the NBA. I follow it once it gets close to the end. Once the NBA gets close to the end, I start watching. But until then, I kind of just hang out. I just feel like the playoffs are too crazy. It's too long. Like there's like one extra round that they don't need. Game over. Flip. All right, you got 6 more minutes, people. Any questions? Anything? Anything? My wife texted me. Cocaine also gets people going. Taco Tuesday. Dude, what's today? It is. Can you give my duck a few rails? Yeah. Yo, it's fun joining the stream for the first time. Look forward to more. Justin, I appreciate you, man. We're going to give out a free account. I don't know if Streamlabs let you on or not, but we give away free accounts pretty much every day. I do it to give back. So I don't know if Streamlabs let you on. Sometimes you got to be here for 1 day. And then after that, you're allowed, Streamlabs allows you in. Just so you know, we give away, today will be a 25K Take Profit Trader account. So it's all automated. I'm not adding anybody. It's all automated. Streamlabs sets it up though. They usually got to be here for a day, and that stops people from coming in with like 35 accounts. So that's pretty much it. But if you're back tomorrow, we stream live 10:30 till noon and 2 p.m. to 4:30, and we do the account giveaway. Just letting you know. But it's all automated. I don't type anybody's name in or anything. Yo, what should I get for dinner tonight? I wasn't supposed to be home. By the way, if you're looking for, like I said before, I think this is the best deal out there. Take Profit Trader literally has the best deal. Rip and dip. Ooh, you owe. What? I don't know, bro. Sushi? Yo, if my kids were going to bed early, I'd get sushi and watch TV. I'm eating a steak. Yo, what type of steak are you eating, Sean? I feel like Sean's eating like a ribeye. Sean strikes me as a ribeye guy. Ah, I knew it. I knew it. Yo, I called it. Yeah. Yo, I called that. You had ribeye all over that. Yo, Sean strikes me as a ribeye guy. Yeah. Dude, it depends. The ribeye's got to be really good for me to eat it. Dude, I know that movie, Josh. I'm trying to think of it though without I don't know the movie though. Oh, Deuce Bigelow. Baltimore beef chuck? Never heard of that. Tomahawks are good. My go-to is usually a tomahawk. You know, if I go to a steakhouse, you know. Stone is back. I will say I either get the porterhouse or the tomahawk is usually what I get. I do like the porterhouse because you get a little bit of both. You get the strip and the fillet, and the tomahawk is just tomahawk's usually good. He's talking about Johnson. Oh, jeez. All right, we're about to run this shiznick. Entries are closed. All right, guys. If you're new here, because there's a couple new people. First off, thanks for watching me today on Top Step TV. It was definitely fun. Thanks for coming by and hanging out. It was cool to see you guys over there. If you're new, we stream live every day, 10:30 to noon, and then again 2 p.m. to 4:30. If you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER below. It works at every single prop firm. That's what allows us to do the free giveaways and everything else. Honestly, right now, I wouldn't get a Bullnox account. Apex is back to 80% off. Take Profit Trader seems to be the best right now. It's no activation fee, and it's only $119 for a 50K. Or My Funded Futures is like $100, but they don't have daily payouts, and there's a consistency rule. There's no consistency rule, and you can get daily payouts with Take Profit Trader. That's why I put them number one. All right, so this is everybody on the morning stream, and then the afternoon stream, and then the two will play against each other. Your duck is going back door. Yo, what up, Rayu? Bull nuts? Oh. I am fucking. Who do we got? Who do we got? Are they going to let the Trump duck win to it today? Trump duck has never won yet. I don't know how that's possible. Kron, you want to be hanging out where Luca is. Luca's hanging out where you want, right there in the middle in the back. Island Boy hanging out where you want. Piano Trader. You don't want to be out front. Definitely don't want to be out front. Boom, 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 boom. Uh-oh. All right, last push, boys. Who do we got? Who do we got? Pete Jazz in the construction gear. Pete Jazz. Are you here, Pete? Yo, it's 423. Pete Jazz. Are you in here, Pete Jazz? You got 2 minutes to claim. Otherwise, we rerun it. Pete Jazz. Oh, Pete Jazz is here. He's hanging out. Okay. Pete Jazz, you are going to race whoever wins this one. All right. This is a massive one. Here we go. Pete Jazz, you are going to go against JR. You got to put the code in, and you got to be in the room for like a half hour or so, or maybe 45 minutes. I don't know. Streamlabs does it. So you can join tomorrow. Come on, subscribe now. If you haven't, you got to be subscribed to the channel. And after you subscribe to the channel, come back tomorrow. We do account giveaways most of the days. I try to give back to everybody. It keeps the people going. Oh. Oh. It's too soon, though. The guy, the Fast and Furious. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Who's going to push? Yo, Caveman, push with the Trump duck. Enchanted. Nope. Kyle, it's 4:25. You got 2 minutes. Okay. Hold on 1 second, boys. I'll set it up. Yo, who had the first one? Yo, who won the first one? Oh, Pete. Yo, if you have questions about anything, now's the time to ask everybody that's in here. If you're in here, now's the time to ask. You got questions about anything. Uh-oh. Pete, you don't want to be out front. Yo, later, Sean. Yo, Kyle, probably. Kyle's hanging out where you want to hang out. Yo, the race has been the same thing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Kyle. It's not looking good for you, bud. Pete Jazz. Pete Jazz. Send me an email. Pete Jazz with the win. Kyle's duck just dropped. Yo, appreciate you. I appreciate everybody that comes on the chat and hangs out. You know, I appreciate it all. I do. I really enjoy doing this. If anybody wants to hang out after hours or whatever, that's the link to the Discord. It's free. You joined the heist and it didn't register you? I don't know why. Yo, later code. Yo, I think I died. Oh, dude, that was fun today. Today was a wild one. I hope you guys did good today. I mean, today was a rough day, man. Today was super rough. Cove, he's in the shadow realm. The old shadow realm. Yeah, man. Boom, 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 boom. Man, this thing looks like it's selling off right here. Look at this. I'm not playing it, but it's definitely, look at, it's got this rounded look to it. This, right? What you see, that looks like it's going to go, woo, woo, woo. Yo, any of those scripts you still testing? I don't, what do I got? You know what? I just restarted my computer, so I had to redo everything. And I kind of tightened things up. I don't know what else I'm doing. Let me go to I don't think so. I think I got my normal stuff now, how I want it. I'm pretty set. I missed the ducky race because it wasn't live. Oh, rip and dip. Well, good news is we do it every day. So be back tomorrow. Be back tomorrow to join. Tomorrow we'll be back. But yeah, Fred, I haven't really messed around anything new. I'll be honest with you. I'm just looking at what I like now. And I'm just sticking with what's getting me payouts. You know, 3-bar reversals, order blocks. Like, look at this on the 5. I'm starting to go on higher time frames too. Like, you know, look, we come all the way down right to this fair value gap right here. I mean, you know, I should have taken that as a trade. Also, we swept London lows. I took this trade. I didn't hold it, but we swept London lows this morning. And when we reclaimed it, I should have taken it long here, and my stop would have been low a day, and that would have been the trade. You know, the London low sweep and then come back through. I should have bought like 10 micros so I could sell 5 at this high and then maybe move 5 up to like the bottom of this fair value gap that was created and just kind of hold. But it is what it is. You know, these are things I should be doing. I'm not. I could have made a lot more money than I did today. And I just got to get used to staying in positions a little bit longer. You know, that's pretty much it. So, like you guys, I'm always working on making, you know, trading better and doing things better and watching videos and learning more about other things and implementing it into my own trading. You know, yeah, I'm profitable. Yeah, I'm taking payouts, but you know, you never know what you can learn. You know, it's always learning. So I'm going to jump off, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. I might stream early again tomorrow. If you guys are around and want to come on early, I streamed the open today. So if you want to do that, if you want to join the Discord, in the description of this video is the Discord link. It's free. We hang out there at night. Hang out there during the day also. And then if you want to support the stream, use coupon code COVETRADER. That's what allows free accounts to be given out. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.